Hi everybody. In last lecture we have studied about calendars. Okay, and in that we have studied the example related to the number of odd days in a certain number of years. Okay, now in today's lecture we are going to study of to find the weekday on a certain date. Okay, so we have taken an example. What was the day of the week on 25th December 1995? Or it can also ask on what day was the Christmas in 1995. Okay, in solution, first we find that period up to 25th December 1995 is equal to 1994 years plus period from 1 January 1995 to 25th December 1995. Okay, now 1994 can be written as is equal to 400 into 4. Okay, plus if you divide 1994 by 400, it will be 4 4s are 1600. It is nearer value to 1994 and its remainder will be 300. Sorry, it is 493 394. Okay, plus here it can be written as 400 into 4 plus 394. Okay, now 394 is equal to, which is in years. Okay, this all terms are in years, so 394 is equal to 300 plus 94 years. So here 394 are in terms of years, which is equal to 300 plus in 94 years. In 94 year, if we divide 98 by 4, we get 4 2s are 8. Here 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 is taken forward as it is, so 3s are 12. So here it is 14 minus 12 is 2. Okay, so there are 23. In 94 there are 23 leap years. Okay, so there are 23 leap years, so it can be written as 23 leap year plus remaining 94 minus 23, which is equal to 71, which are ordinary years, plus 71 ordinary years. Okay, so it is 394 is equal to, therefore number of odd days in 1994 years is equal to, so here 1994 is 400 into 4. Now up to 400 century there are 0. In 400 there are 0 odd days. Okay, I have given an homework for you. You have to prepare and chart for in 100 number of years. If it is number of years, there are 5 odd days. In 200 there are 3 odd days. In 300 there are 1 odd day, and in 400 there are 0 odd day. Okay, so here in 400 there are 0 odd days, so it can be written as 0 into 4 plus, now for 394 can be written as 300 plus 23 leap year plus 71 ordinary year. So for 300 there are only 1 odd day, so here for 300 you have write plus 1. Okay, and for 23 leap years So you know that in previous lecture we have studied that for leap year there are 2 odd days. So for 23 leap years, so it will be 23 into 2, and for ordinary there is only 1 odd day, so it can be written as 71 into 1. Okay, so you have to know the number of years. For 100 there are 5, which I have calculated in previous lecture. For 200 there are 3 odd days. For 300 there is only 1 odd day, and for 400 there is only 0 odd day. Okay, so here it will be calculated as it is 0 plus 1 plus 23 into 2 is 46 plus 71, and its total calculation is 118 odd days. Okay, so this is our rough calculation here. This is our rough calculation. Okay, so number of odd days in 1994 years is 118 odd days, which is equal to now, which is 118 odd days. Okay, so now to convert it in weeks form, so here if we divide 118 by 7, so it will gives 7 2s are 14. Sorry, wait. So when we divide 118 by 7, so here 7 ones are 7, minus 11 minus 7 is 4, its next is 8, 48, 7 6 are 48, so sorry 42, so it will give 6 as a remainder. Okay, so 118 odd days in which we can say that 16 weeks. Here it is 16, so it is 16 weeks plus 6 odd days. 6 odd days. Okay, so there, which means that there are only 6 odd days. Now let us find the number of odd days in the period from 1 January 1995 to 25 December 1995. Okay, so here you can consider the months. January, there are 31 days. February, here it will contain 28 days. In March, there are, we add it all, 31 days. In April, there are 30 days. Plus next in May, there are 31 days. In June, there are 30 days. In July, there are 31 days. In August, again there are 31 days. In September, there are 30 days. In October, there are 31 days. And in November, there are 30 days. And in December, here we have to calculate up to 25 December, so we have to consider only 25 days. Okay, so addition of this total will be equal to 359 days. Okay, from 1 January to 25 December 1995 there are 359 days. So 359 days can be written as 51 weeks plus 2 days. Okay, you have to divide 359 by 7. You can get here 51 weeks and 2 days. Okay, remainder is 2 days, so it is equivalent to 2 odd days. That means there are 2 odd days from 1 January 1995 to 25 December 1995. So, total number of odd days till 25th December 1995 is equal to number of odd days in 1994 years plus number of odd days from 1 January 1995 to 25th December 1995, which is equal to, so there are 6 odd days in 19 up to 1994 and plus 2, which is equal to 8 odd days, which is greater than 7. So it can be written as 1 week plus 1 day, which is congruent to, here you don't write congruent sign, which is congruent to 1 odd day. Okay, so from in last lecture we have given an odd day table. In that, for Sunday it is 0, Monday it is 1, Tuesday it is 2, Wednesday it is 3, Thursday it is 4, Friday it is 5, and for Saturday it is 6. So here we get 1 odd day. Okay, up to total number of odd days till 25th December 1995 is 1 odd day. So it is 1 odd day is Monday. So from odd day table we can write, hence it is Monday on 25th December 1995. Okay, which is our required answer. Okay, now consider the examples. What was the day of the week on 25th August 1947? It is an homework for you. And second, what was the day of the week on 26th January 1950? Okay, these 2 examples are for your homework. Next example is, on what dates of April 2015 did Friday fall? Okay, so we have to find the Fridays in April 2015, dates of Friday in April 2015. Okay, so here we first find the day on, 1st April 2015. Okay, so period up to 1st April 2015 is equal to 2014 years plus period from 1 January 2015 to, we have to go up to 1 April 2015. Okay, so now 2014 can be written as, 2014 is equal to 400 into 5, okay, which is 2000 plus 14 in 14 years, okay. So which is 400 into 5 plus 14 in 14 years, we divided by 4 because after 4 years there is a leap year, so there are 3 leap year in 14 years. So here consider 3 leap years. And remaining 14 minus 3 is 11 ordinary years, okay. So here calculation odd number of odd days in 2014 years is equal to 400 into up to 400 century there are 0, in 400 there are 0 odd days into 5 plus for leap year there are 2 odd days, so it can be written as 3 into 2 plus ordinary, it is 11 into 1, so it is 0 plus 6 plus 11, which is equal to 17 odd days, okay. And it also written as, if we divide it by 7 it will be 2 weeks plus, which is 14 plus 3 days, which is congruent to 3 odd days, okay. So number of odd days in 2014 years is equal to 3 odd days. Now second part is we have to find odd days from 1 January to 1 April 2015. Now let us find odd days in a period 1st Jan 2015 to 1st April 2015, okay. So in January there are 31 days, in February there are 28 because it is not a leap year. So next in March there are 31 days, in April there are only first up to 1 April, so it is only 1, so total days are 91 days, okay. So 91 days can be written as 13 weeks because if we divide by 7 it is 13 weeks and 0 days, okay. 13 weeks which is divisible by 7, 91 is divisible by 7, so there are 0 odd days up to in period 1st January 2015 to 1st April 2015. Therefore total number of odd days till 1st April 2015 is equal to 3 plus 0, which is equal to 3, okay. So from odd day table, third odd day is Wednesday, okay. So our 1st April, therefore 1st April 2015 was, so 1st April 2015 was on Wednesday, okay. So we have to find the Fridays in April, date of Fridays in April, okay. So first Friday was consecutively, or you can write Consequently, the first Friday fell on, so Wednesday after it is Thursday, there will be 2nd April, and on Friday it will be 3rd April. Okay, 3rd April 2015. After 7 days it will be again Friday. So, and subsequently next Friday on 10th after 7, which means 3 plus 7 is 10th. After that it is 17th. 17 plus 7 after it is 24th, and 24 plus 7 is 31, but April is of 30 days, so it is up to 24 of April 2015. Okay, so in April month there are Fridays on falls on date 3rd April 2015, 10th April 2015, 17th April and 24th April. Okay, so these are the examples related to calendars, okay, of type 2nd. Now next type is, we have to find the day of the week on a certain date when the day of the week on another date is given. Okay, we will see the example related to next type now. Now consider example. If 4th April 1988 was Monday, what was 5th November 1989? Okay, so in solution, let us first find the number of odd days from 4th April to 4th April 1989. So first find odd days from 4th April, it is 4th April 1988 to 4th April 1989. Okay, next line, 1988, since you can say that since 1988, because 88 is divisible by 4, is a leap year, but we count from, it is after February. Okay, so it is from 4th April. So from 5th April 1988 to 4th April 1989 may considered as ordinary year, having one odd day. Okay, so up to 4th April 1988 to 4th April 1989 there is only one odd day. Okay, so now we count the number of odd days from odd days from 4th April 1989 to 5th November 1989. Okay, So we will calculate odd days in between 4th April to 5th November 1989. So in April, we start from 4th April. So 4 days are subtracted. So there will be only 26 days in April. In May, there are 31 days. In June, there are 30 days. In July, there are again 31 days. In August, there are 31 days. In September, there are 30 days. In October, there are 31 days. And in November, we have to go up to 5th November. So we calculate only first 5 days. So total days is equal to 215 days. Okay. So 215 days can be written as is equal to 30 weeks plus 5 days. Okay, which is 5 odd days. Okay, so there are odd days from 4th April 1988 to 5th November 1989 is equal to, here there is only one odd day in first and in plus 5 odd days, which is equal to 6 odd days. Okay, so it is given that 4th April 1988 is Monday. Okay, so adding 6 odd days to Monday, 6 odd days to Monday, we find from the odd day table that there is Sunday. There is a Sunday. Okay, as we consider odd day table as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, so here it was a Monday on 4th April 1988. Okay, so we have to add 6 odd days in this Monday. So here we will count 6th day after Monday. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is again 6. So here it will be Sunday on 5th November 1989. Okay, which is our required answer. Okay, so you have to consider only this table of days. Okay, so this is our required answer. Now there is an homework for you. So you have to solve an example. If 10th May 1997 was Monday, what was the day on October 10, 2001? Okay, you have to calculate the day on October 10, 2001. Okay, so you have to find the odd days from 10th May to October 10. Okay, so and after that finding you have to take how many odd days there, then after you have to count from Monday that odd days, you will give the required solution. Okay, so for today we will stop here, and in next lecture we will see the next point, clocks. Okay, thank you.